Okay, so magandang gabi mga tol. Good evening sa inyong lahat. So today is November 15, 2024. Ito na ang ating day. Anong day na nga na ngayon? Ben, day 23. So day 23 na namin ngayon. So oras natin ay 9:05 PM. Grabe. Gabing-gabi na, no? So right now, ito ang ating isa sa ating mga hobby. Ayan, no? So dahil ng
One
siyempre
championship.
One Championship, no? So yan ang lagi natin inaabangan tuwing Friday, One Friday fight. Ayan. So mamaya try natin magpakanto na isang idea kung meron tayo maisip. Pero kung wala, let's try to make it short. So yun muna.
Talo yun.
Tirahin na natin ang ating day 21. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, medyo maingay dahil ito nga, nanonood kami ng One Championship at the same time, maingay ang mga sasakyan since tabing kalsada kami. Yan. So, para mas masarap manood eh. Kesa mag-push up eh. Nakakanaman. Nakakanaman pero kailangan natin tapusin talaga to. Wait lang. Sige. Antayin mo na yung push-up natin dahil mukhang maganda yung palabas. Ayan.
Laban yun eh.
Ayan, libreng panood kayo ah. Alis ka dyan. Nanonood yung mga viewers ko eh. yung isa kong viewer, sila iba. So wait lang. So after nito siguro tsaka na mag-isimula. No? Siguro, no? Yun yung magandang idea natin, di ba? Yung don't take it seriously, no? Huwag mo masyadong seryosohin yung buhay, di ba? Take it lightly, no? Mag-enjoy ka, maglaro ka. Enjoy mo yung mga hobby na gustong-gusto mo sa buhay. Kasi at the end of the day, lahat tayo mawawala sa mundo eh. Diba, hindi mo alam, bukas wala ka na, no? So, kung yung mga bagay eh, hindi naman masyado expensive at nagiging masaya ka sa mga bagay na yon, gawin mo na. Tulad nito, simpleng panonood ng di ba? One Championship, boxing, di ba? So, ganun lang. Alam nila yan. So, yan. Yung pala ating pakanto na idea, no? Enjoy life. Don't take it seriously. Wow. Ang hirap mag-English. Don't take it seriously. Bulsar. Lang. Ayan. Naka 3 minutes na tayo. So, simulan na nga natin to. So, actually talaga, no? Kung di ko lang ito nirecord sa YouTube, malamang tulog lang ako dito, baka nag-cellphone na lang ako. Kaya lang, nakakaya sa inyo eh. Nangako ko na, sabi ko nga, finish what you begin. So, kailangan nating tapusin to. Day 23, 1 week na lang. 1 week na lang. Ayan. So, yun yung laban ngayon ay Russian versus Filipino. Kaya lang, hindi to primera klaseng Pilipino, first timer to rito. Base sa aking analyzation mahina sa striking. No? Baka mo on grappling to.
Ayun na!
Ayan, medyo lumalapang na. Nakakatama siya ngayon, pero delikado yung kalaban, malakas yung Russian. Malamang sa malamang. So sana, no? Magdala nyo to sa ground. Kasi kung boxing, malamang hindi ako maniniwalang mananalo to. Kung sa ground, baka may tsansa. Pero kung sa suntukan, may tama. Ay, ganyan nga. Mas masarap nga manood.
Cut ko. Papa,
Huwag na.
Tatagal pa eh. Ayan yung ikat to.
Pagkatapos ito.
Papa,
Nanonood pa ako. Ha?
ikakat ko nga lang. Tapos na yung papanoorin mo.
26 minutes na lang. Ay, seconds na lang.
Pagkatapos ng round na yan, ikakat ka.
Paano ikakat?
Ikakat mo dun. Kaya ko yan.
Kain ako. 10 seconds.
Pagkatapos yan, ikakat mo.
Walang power. Alright, so... Ayan. May magulo. Okay, so tuloy na natin. Simulan natin sa 10. Nakakatamad tsaka nakakapagod. Kaya dapat talaga umaga pa lang gawin mo na, no? Pag yung mga bagay, pinagpalipas mo, dami pwede mangyari, no? Diba? Dami pwede mangyari. Ah! 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Okay, 10 na. Isang set pa lang. 90. Ang sarap talaga manood eh. Wala talagang panlaban tong Pilipino sa striking. Hindi ko alam kung anong panama nito. Wala na pinapakitang grappling din. Patay ka. Okay, tirahin na natin to. 20.
Dami mo sa kakalimutan.
Ay, thank you. 80. Ay, 20.
80. 80 dollars. Ha? Ano?
Submit niya. Tatalog pa ako to, tabling pa. Kalaw.
Ano siya?
Okay, panalo guys, yung Pilipino. Submission. Nag-tap yung kalaban. Talo na eh, sabi. Yun nga siya, submission niya. Submission yung natalo niya. Ayun o, nahawakan niya yung paa. Inilipit niya gano'n, dagdag. Nag-tap yung kalaban.
Mas kaya ba ba?
Hindi pa. Wala, 20. Ha? Oo. Hindi ko alam naman nanood din ito. Ilan yan? 20 pa lang. 20 pa lang, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Change topic pala tayo, no? Bigla pumasok sa isip ko eh. Ang ating pakanto na ideya ngayon ay kung may mga bagay na plano mong gawin, gawin mo na, di ba? Gawin mo na kagad. Kasi pag pinalipas mo, pag sinabi mong bukas, malamang bukas may mga iba ka na namang gagawin, no? So yung nauna mong gagawin, may chapwera na naman, di ba? So ang daming pwedeng mangyari. So pag kaya mo namang gawin, gawin mo na kagad. Kasi pag sinabi mo, bukas na. Malamang. Hindi mo magawa yun, no? Sa dami ng... Lalo sa buhay natin yun, grabe, napaka-fast pace talaga. So 30. Paano ba? Wala maisip. Mag-push up na nga lang tayo. Para hindi ko basta yun lang, no? Kapag may naisip kang gawin, gawin mo na lang. So 30.
Those guys are watching at home and some guys that came here to support me all the way. Congratulations once more, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for your winner, Alice Balayat!
Hindi bonus.
Eros Balayat, so humble.
40.
Victory. But showcasing that leg lock skill set. Here, getting ready to look very patient, very composed. Talking kind of look. Just pain on his face. The first round, Kara looked very unpredictable, looking great on his feet. Balayat maybe adjusted to out of the way. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ilan na yun? 40. Kalimutan ko na tuloy. 40 na ba yun? Oh, 40. 50 na nga ata eh. Okay, 40. Sige, sige, 40 pala. Whew. Ang init.
Ayan.
Laki tao na.
Lahat. Ay,
great movement.
grabe.
All of his limbs. These poor has some serious legs on him. He likes to go up top of the.
Laki tao ba naman eh?
Usap na kayo?
Ha?
Usap na kayo.
Wala na. So kung 40 yun, pang 50 na natin to. Woo, 50.
Oh, that's it. House is full, the house on fire. Oh, he dropped it. A sight unseen in one. Beautiful boxing technique from Iraj as he
60.
Two-division world champion, Christian Lee. Oh, undefeated world title challenger, Alika Rasula, the one lightweight world championship on the line.
Whew. 60.
Danielle Kelly. This is the most anticipated rematch. What a night of action today.
December.
December, Pasko?
December 6.
Welcome back to
Pati
One
birthday
Friday
na lang.
Fights. If Thailand is on
Pwede
your
kong
bucket
araw
list,
na
you can't
lang
check it off
Pasko
until
na.
you experience fights here at Lumpini
Yeah, may
Boxing
Pasko.
Stadium. Up next,
95.
it is kickboxing at 120 pounds. Jamar Cooper versus Kojiro Shiba. Cooper, 15 years older, 1 inch taller, will have a slight weight advantage. It is the USA taking on Japan. Global rules kickboxing, that's 3 3-minute rounds. The 10-point system will be used. 3 knockdowns inside of a round equals a TKO. No elbows, throws, or clinching allowed.
70.
From the blue corner, Kojiro Shiba!
Puro Japan, no?
Only 19 years old, trained at a gym fighter gym in Japan, coming into this bout off of 5 straight wins, 3 of them by a knockout.
70. So medyo mahirap, no? Pag hindi mo kaya, mali-malima lang. Di ba? Nak, namasok na puso sila ko.
That's right, Kojiro Shiba. Southpaw kickboxer, has that karate background. Gianni, I faced a lot of guys.
75. Butal-butal.
We're not accustomed to the speed and the power.
Ba't yan?
It is unique, it is different, and very hard to do. It's like a sharp footwork, snappy punches, those karate-style kicks, the snappy front kick, the low kicks, the way they throw them. Speed and power.
Okay, 75. May oras na. 15 minutes. So, 5-5 lang, pwede yung makaya. Diba? Bakit ito? 80. Ay,
Jamar Cooper, training out of Tiger Muay Thai in Phuket, representing the United States of America, also coming in fight winning streak. For Jamar
90.
Cooper, went to the Muay Thai World Games in Thailand 4 years ago and has stayed here ever since. Picked up the Tiger Muay Thai sponsorship. I'm very happy to be here on One Friday Fights. Show his skills to the world. That's right, very different style here. A
Grabe.
southpaw,
Ang ganda ng
fighter.
abs eh.
Has
Sulit
that
na.
high background. It's the kickboxing rule set, but he will definitely influence
Okay,
his
last 10.
style. He's a technician who can be aggressive. He calls it new school.
Busog ka dun.
I can't
Alam
wait to
mo.
see it on display. He also has a bit of a karate and boxing background to add to his style, which is unique, a hybrid. He says that his opponent has good low kicks, but that's really it. And he is confident that he is better everywhere else, and he's got more power and more speed. Confident too that he can score a knockout. He said it's going to come by way of his left hand. In this fight,
Alright. So, yun muna. Day, no, day 23. So, 1 week na lang mga tol. We're done. So, yun muna. So, ciao. Bye-bye.